also stuck his hand into a rotten walnut. Now his hand's staining. Oh. 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 Tag and go make this worse.
They do. Didn't clean shit.
And it's clean, kinda.
Clean shit.
Watch the walnut.
Where the fuck is it?
Here, let's get this thing under there. That's sketchy. Always give yourself extra support. Just in case you're jacked. Just with the sunset behind him. This is a Scotch-Brite that he's going to use to rough up the wheels just enough to where we can paint them. And then we'll go over it with this liquid sandpaper. Removes a lot of the grease and stuff, and then we'll degrease it, and then it'll be ready to paint. I'm gonna spray these down with brake clean, get that gnarly stuff off of there. That's sketchy. Brakes are fucking hot. Doesn't even sit on them. Imagine it just starts on freaking fire, dude. I'm high. I just used. You alright? Here, use the rest of.